Hello friends, myself Dr. Dinesh Bhutada, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist and laser specialist in India. In this video module of trichology or hair therapies, we'll be talking on what are the commonest causes of hair fall. As all of you know, hair is in the three phases: anagen phase, catagen phase and decagen phase. This hair is in this cycle of these three phases. Once there are two types of hair fall: physiological hair fall and pathological hair fall. In physiological hair fall, at the normal interval, the hairs are in the catagen and decagen telogen phase. They falls though there is a normal hair cycle. And in case of pathological hair fall, there is some disease precipitating that hair fall, and this cycle of growing cycle of hair cycle is imbalanced. So first we have to know whether the hair fall is physiological or hair fall is pathological. If hair fall is physiological, then just you have to assure the patient, just go for the proper counseling of the patient, and this will help to regain his hairs. But in case of pathological hair fall, we have to diagnose what is the root pathology of that hair fall, and accordingly we have to treat the treat the patient so that his hair stops falling and helps in the growing of hair. So the common reasons behind pathological hair falls are mentioned below. First, lack of essential nutrients in the body. When, as all of you know, vitamin H or vitamin biotin is the hair vitamin, and when there is a lack of hair vitamin and along with hair vitamin minerals with proteins, and this lack of essential nutrients in the body results in the hair fall. Another cause of hair fall is the excessive use of chemicals. Excessive use of chemicals through hair coloring and hair styling gels, hair dyes also results in the hair fall. As all of you know, the normal hair cycle is there on the scalp hair, and if that hair cycle is imbalanced or disturbed by the use of chemicals, then the hair starts falling. So excessive chemical use also is one of the basic cause of hair fall. Another, improper and unhealthy dietary habits. If the patient is not having improper and unhealthy dietary habits, this again leads to the nutritional deficiency, and again this leads to the hair fall. So patient should have a proper diet, a complete diet, to have the good glowing natural hairs. And if there is a improper habit of diet, then it may result to the hair fall. Hormonal imbalance. One of the main reason of the hair fall is the hormonal imbalance. If the patient is having thyroid disorders or a patient is having other hormonal imbalance in his body, then that may precipitate the hair fall. Another, certain medications. In certain medications also you get the hair fall. For example, if a patient is having some malignancy or she is undergoing for the chemotherapy, that may result in the hair fall, and some few drugs also that may result for the hair fall. Again, the dandruff, alopecia and many scalp disorders. Dandruff, alopecia and many scalp disorders also results in the hair fall. If a patient is having a dandruff and his dandruff is not treated in a proper way, that may result to the hair fall. If patient is having alopecia areata or any other scalp disorders, that may result in the hair fall. And the most important cause of hair fall is the stress and tension. This stress and tension results in the imbalance of normal hair cycle, and that again going to results in the hair fall. So these are some commonest causes of hair fall. As all of you know, physiological hair fall, only by assurance or counseling it will get treated. But in case of pathological hair fall, we have to pinpoint the diagnosis of the hair fall, and accordingly we have to go for the proper treatment. Thank you.